got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. This particular one is the Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to insert a SIM card into this tablet. Now, this is a Nano SIM card. You can see how small it is. And this tablet takes one physical SIM card. And of course, if you want to increase the SIM capacity, maybe you want a dual SIM setup, you can just go ahead and use an eSIM, all right? But if you have a physical SIM card, it has to be a Nano SIM card, okay? So to install it, there's a SIM ejector tool that comes in the box of your tablet, but of course you can use any SIM ejector tool. Now, at the top of the tablet, towards the right hand side, there's going to be this SIM tray. So what you need to do is just grab your SIM ejector tool. I have one over here. So just put it into this hole in the SIM tray. You can see the SIM tray right here. So let me just bring it to focus, and then just put your ejector tool in there and then just press towards the tablet, and that's going to pop it out, as you can see. And once it's popped out like that, you can just grab it with your fingertips and pull it out gently. As simple as that, okay? So with the SIM tray out, you should now be able to see that it gives you provision for a SIM card, okay? Now the other side allows you to put a micro SD card, and this side allows you to put a SIM card, okay? So you can only put one physical SIM card. So what you need to do is align the SIM card like this, okay? So when you put the SIM card like this with the contacts facing up, and you want to align this little indent here with the indent on the SIM tray, just place it like that, and then push it in slightly until it's completely flush with the SIM tray. So you can see that that's completely flush with the SIM tray. Same goes for the micro SD card. And then now you're ready to insert the SIM tray back into the tablet. So just grab it properly, make sure nothing is popping out. Everything should be completely flush, and then gently just push it back into the tablet. It has to be gentle. You don't need to use force. You don't need to apply too much pressure because you're going to break something. It should be very simple. Now, as soon as you insert it, it may or may not pop up the SIM manager for your tablet. So in case it doesn't, I'll show you how to go there. But you can already see that there's some network bars right here between the Wi-Fi icon and the battery icon. You can see we have network bars. That's the network bars for my SIM card. Now, to manage that SIM card, just go to settings. You can see I'm already getting text messages. So just swipe up. So inside settings, on the left hand side panel, go to connections. And then under connections, you should see SIM manager, and that will bring you that same window. So now, as you can see, our SIM1 is here. It's enabled by default. In case it's disabled, make sure you turn it on from here. And then you can choose, well, we only have one SIM card. So if you had a dual SIM setup, you could choose the default SIM card for calls, messages, and mobile data. Now, you'll also see that you can add an eSIM. So if you want to have an eSIM, just go ahead and add it there, and you can have a dual SIM setup on your Galaxy Tab S10. But as far as a physical SIM card is concerned, you can only insert one into that SIM tray. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.